Hi guys, welcome to eMedia Coach. Josh here, and today we will be resetting our WordPress website. So I'll just show you that we have a couple of sample pages and posts in here. And if we go back to our dashboard, I'll just let you know that once you have reset your website on WordPress, it completely wipes your database. So you will not be able to get any of your content, images or pages, posts, anything like that back. This is a useful tool though if you need to reset your site, start fresh, if you have a lot of pages bloating out your website, making it load a bit slower, plugins that are bugging your website, maybe you've been hacked and you want to completely start afresh, and you can do that with this simple plugin. So we'll go to plugins and add new, and from here we can search for reset. We can then find WordPress Reset. This is the plugin that we'll be using today, and you can click install now. And once that's installed, we can activate. So then that'll bring you to your plugins page, and you can see that WordPress Reset is now activated on our site. So to use the plugin itself, we'll go to Tools and Reset. And it'll just ask you to confirm that you definitely want to reset your entire site by typing the word reset. And click reset. Once you've clicked reset, it'll tell you again that it is not reversible. Clicking OK will reset your database back to the default, and you can click cancel to abort, but we will click OK to continue. And that's us. We have completely reset our website. So if I go to posts, you can see we just have the default hello world, and in pages we just have the sample and privacy policy, the standard default pages that WordPress will give us. So that's just how you reset your WordPress website. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more content. Any questions, drop them in the comments below, and that's everything. Thanks.